He's cute. You're cute now, not a baby anymore. Say thank you. Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Tell him he's so cute. Yeah, talkative. Yeah, X Game is like a player or something because his name in his YouTube is Play X Game. Tell him he's cute. He thank
My
you.
YouTube channel is on my iPad.
I know.
My mom has his own YouTube channel.
Yes. Yes, just ask follow and like Cameron. Come on.
Wait, I'll show you the name.
Hello, Meche. Big boy na ang panganay mo, host. Time flies so fast. O nga, Meche. Diyos ko. Bilis, no? Tagal na. Dati wala pang anak. Ngayon, laki na. X Games.
Here.
Mata. Yeah.
Here.
It's Cameron Crandon, YouTube.
This is
Yeah. What is this? Meche want to subscribe your channel, nak? Tell Ate Meche. Ate Meche. Si Ate Meche, my channel is.
My channel is Cameron Dinos 123.
Yeah. Cameron Dinos 1, 2, 3. One word ang Cameron Dinos.
And
Cameron.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Can you read that?
I'd love to be on your channel.
Yay! Well done, Cameron. So you gain a subscriber now, Cameron. Cameron.
I only have 4 subscribers.
Yeah.
That's because I'm a new YouTuber.
Yeah. Funny. Yeah. 0 million naman na. Let me see.
Alright, you can search for the names.
Yeah. Grabe naman ka, ano,
My
sagot.
channels and YouTube.
What did you post in your channel, Nax?
A lot of videos.
Yeah. Videos making what? Oh, adventure in the sea. Because he loves creatures and
I'm gonna post my new video now.
I'll check first before you post. Can I say? I'll check.
I'm gonna make a video of my panda lion.
I will check before you post, huh? Not just post something. I'll check first. Without mommy's agreed, huh? Don't post anything, okay? Too bad I can't find it. You cannot find your thing, Cameron? Well.